Weekly lookout பார்க்க போகிறோம். It's been quite some time since I posted weekly lookouts. Yeah, I was a little bit busy, so nothing about that அதை தாண்டி. So let's just jump right into it. இப்போ நம்ம வந்து இந்த வாரம் டாலர் என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றத போன வாரம் நடந்து வச்சு ரீட் பண்ண போகிறோம். So first of all, I usually mark out the highs and lows. So this will be my previous month low. அந்த month soup பண்ணிருச்சு. And then when I look at the weekly time frame, this will be my previous week low, and then this is going to be my previous week high. Jumping on to a daily time frame. So daily time frame la vandu idu konjam align panikalam because I have OCD. So inga irundhu paathaaka what is the nearest draw அப்படினா என் கண்ணுக்கு இதுதான் தெரியுது. So that would be my previous day high. So for dollar, what I want dollar to do, what am I expecting? In the இடத்துல we are trading inside this imbalance, so I'm expecting the dollar to pull back, probably sweep this day's low and then go up higher. I will pay attention to these levels, which would be first this one, and then I will pay attention to these lows. Once that is done, once adu nadande enakku dollar vandu bullish signature kaata aarambichiruchu abinaka, I will just look for longs on US dollar currencies like USD CAD, USD CHF, whichever aligns with the way dollar moves. And the other part, I'll just look for longs. Let's look at gold. Gold enna pannirukendradha paapom. This is one of the favorite assets everybody trades, just not me. For gold la paathaaka, I have a weekly imbalance right here. So since we are very very bullish, I'm not going to call the top of the market. அதாவது ஓடுற ட்ரெயின் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டில் நிறுத்துகிற ஆள் நான் கிடையாது. I cannot do that. I don't want to do that as well. So இது வந்து ஒரு வீக்லி இம்பேலன்ஸ். அங்கேருந்து if I zoom into daily and then if I realign it, this is how it would look. I am expecting gold to pull back எது வரைக்கும்னா into that imbalance. ஏன் பென் அப்படின்னாக்கா, see, first thing is I don't want to long in a premium market. I don't do that. If I don't get the trade, then I don't get the trade. So இதுதான் நம்ம டீலிங் ரேஞ்ச். இந்த டீலிங் ரேஞ்சில் the liquidity area would be this in the time frame la paakumbodhu. So I want gold to come down here, give me some sort of signature and then move higher. Ippo ingeyume namakku or SMT irukku, and then angarundu paathaaka we have another SMT right here. So this is what we are working with. I don't have a clean view, so inga irundhu I don't want a long gold, but let's just give it, let's just see what happens. It is Sunday da. I don't want to jump into conclusions. I don't want to fucking push any buttons right now. So this is what we are working with. I don't like these equal lows here, so I don't want this SMT to hold. Yeah, I don't like this. So I want gold to come down into 2009.86 on GC and then give me some sort of bullish reaction and then probably trade it. I'm looking for something like this. So this is what I'm looking for. Maybe like this, something like that. Yeah, that's gold. We swept previous month low. Week low is also taken. Okay, weekly candle like close. Okay, so the nearest targets would be this one and then probably this one. Yep, so previous week high, and then that's what we're working with in the edathula. So it also looks good. And I also like this. So inga na enga long polam அப்படின்றது, it's a very good question that I ask myself. If at all, if like UJ comes down, gives me some sort of maybe something like this in the 4-hour imbalance line in the low ஏதாவது ஒன்று சூப் பண்ணிட்டு Monday Tuesday எனக்கு ஒரு bullish reaction கொடுத்தா, I will aim for this highs and probably that highs. USD CHF. So this exactly looks like dollar if you notice it. So I'm going to pay attention to these part. In the range la, I want it to pull back into discount so that I can long that. So something like this. I'll pay attention to that, and then I will also pay attention to this. இங்கே என்ன ரியாக்ஷன் வருதுன்றதை பார்ப்பேன், and then probably இங்கே என்ன ரியாக்ஷன் வருதுன்றதை பார்த்துட்டு and then I would trade. So something like this. This is what I'm looking for. Again, எல்லாமே is based on dollar. இப்போ டாலர் மொத்தமாக திரும்பிடுச்சுன்னா இது எல்லாமே திரும்பிடும். Simple as that. And then if I look at Euro USD, So in this case, what I want to do abdinaka, I don't like this LR build up, so I just want the market to come back into this particular area. So something like this. In the edathila soup this and then fall down. Oh shit, கேவலமா வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன். So I want the market to, probably leave this low, don't soup it, but soup on it's fine. Come back here, take this and then maybe double purge it, SMT order, fall down. This is what I'm looking on. Euro JPY, clearing everything. Okay, weekly, monthly soup. Okay, weekly we took out this high. Okay, Euro JPY GJ I think I saw a CRT setup. Let's see. Yep, see, okay, that's good. Weekly soup. So I am aiming for, very cool. All of these looks like trash to me, for real. I'm looking for these lows. So in the highs I எடுத்துட்டு எனக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு opportunity கொடுத்துச்சுன்னா that would be nice. So I can easily look for a 2R. I'll probably take something out here. And I'll scale something here. That's the setup now. I'll scale something there and there. Simple as that. Okay. EJ, yeah, see that exactly, that's what I'm looking for. Again, these are the levels that I'm going to monitor, and then either base panni da anga irukka reaction base panni I'm going to trade. This is what I'm looking for. And then I don't like these lows. Then I don't like these lows as well. So that is that. I believe இதுவே போதும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Let's see how the market falls. So make sure you keep all these levels in your charts. பார்த்து ஒழுங்கா ட்ரேட் பண்ணுங்க. Do not risk the money which you cannot lose. And until next video, stay safe. மறக்காம subscribe பண்ணுங்க.